Hello, today we look at this question here. So it says, a key fob is made from 3 pieces of 5mm thick acrylic sheet glued together. The pieces of acrylic are shown below. So we've got these 3 pieces, it's given us some dimensions on them. The front symbol shows that the keys are for a house. So that's the front symbol there. So it says, complete the isometric view of the assembled key fob to a scale of 2:1 by adding. So for a start, 2:1, we know 2:1 means twice the size. And if we want to check to make sure if we're confused, it says 20 there. If we measure this bit, that bit there's 40. So I know I need to double all the measurements on there, or dimensions. So it says, first of all, by adding the middle piece. So the middle piece is here, and it's already started a few bits for you. So first what I'm going to do, get my 60-30 set square, and I'm just going to put a faint line along here and straight up. So what we need to do is, this bit is 50 high, so that's going to be 100. So I'll measure 100mm, put a mark, and this way then is 34 times by 2 is 68. So put 68 and put a mark. So with these 2 marks now, I will go straight up with this one. And then go along at my 30 degrees here for isometric. So that's the front part of that middle piece done. So now we need to make the depth of it. So from the back here, I'll go along, put a bit of construction line because we need to have that back piece as well. And that says it's 5mm thick. So 5 times 2 is 10. So put a mark at 10. And I will go straight up here. It's always faint. Put the thickness on here. Go along the back here. And then finally complete the shape here. So now I've got that middle piece complete. So now we need to look at this back piece. So that's 3 marks done, that's dead easy. This back piece. The back piece, we can see, is the same height. So we're going to carry on this the bottom bit there. So to start off with, we need to do another 10. Let's put the thickness in, which is here. And it's the same height, these parts here. So I can go back off this bit, like so, and then get my 90 degrees and go up. So this part here I've just drawn is the side bit there. So what we've got to do now is from here, from this corner, we need to go up 10 and in 12. So up 20 along 24. So I extend my line here up, and I'm going to measure 20mm. So measure 20 on here and put a little mark. So now I'm going to get the 30 degree, and I go across like this. Also, and I go up from this back point here. So this gives me 2 points of reference to be able to go in from here. So I need to go in 24 either side. So from this side here, 24. This side here in 24. So these 2 parts now go down to those corners. There and there. So what we need to do now is just finish our thickness. We started here, we need to decide bits there. So from these corner bits, we need to go back, and we can then, and from this side, go back again. And if we measure 10 on this middle one, which is there, we can then join that up to there. And then put this bit in there. So the last thing we do now is go over all our lines heavy. So I'm going to go the front bit first of all, because it's the bits we can see. So I'll just go around that rectangle. Put the top bit in. little bit there. So that bit's done. So to do the back bit now, so I'll continue this line first of all. Then I'll go up here, continue this one. Down there. Now with these lines, they're not at the angle, 30 or 30 degrees, so I'll just quickly do these bits on top while I've got my 60-30. And then finally, put these angled pieces in. And this fly. And there we have it, all complete.